All right, so we're here at 2582 North Brighton Avenue here in Burbank. Now this is like a 3 units or 4 units over here, the one little section. We're running our camera. We started by running our camera from a 4-inch cleaner where the pipe exits the house. It actually goes to the street. We'll also get up on the roof and we're going to run the camera from the roof vent, like an end of a line roof vent, because we want to check as much of the main line as possible. Now we obviously cannot check every pipe in the house, but you'll have your general inspector crawl underneath. He's going to physically look at the plumbing. We're here to check the main sewer line, and right now we have our camera in from the 4-inch clean out where the pipe exits the house, and we're all the way out to the city connection. So there's the city sewer right there. We're going to bring the camera back. We have a 6-inch clay lateral coming back from the middle of the street towards the property. You can see it's got some minor little roots coming into it. Now look, we're looking for big problems like big holes in the line or massive dislocations. Little roots like that, what you're seeing over there, these can easily be cleaned out. So you probably would need some periodic cleaning with a hydrojetter or something, but we're looking at the big picture, and pretty much you can see the line is fully functioning and it's pretty much in pretty fair condition. So as we come onto the property, it's going to change to a 4-inch clay pipe. You can see there are some roots in the pipe, but these can be easily cleaned out. Not going to cause a blockage or anything at this time, that's for sure. See the water's flowing very well. They're running a lot of water over here.
Some roots there.
So roots in a clay pipe, very common. You're going to pretty much find that wherever you go in the city. My opinion, this is all based on my opinion. I see this as a pretty fair to good sewer line. A little bit of roots in the line that can be easily cleaned out. So here it's going to come out of the clean out over here on the side of the house. We're going to pause the recording and we're going to get up on the roof and run the camera from the roof vent. Okay, so we're running the camera from the roof vent, the one unit furthest back towards the alley. And what happens is it actually comes out separately to the other units here. So right now we're in a clay pipe where it runs on the outside of the house. There's a connection to the clean out that we will ran to. First of all, as it comes back here, the clay pipe really doesn't look that bad. Alex, I think there might be another connection. So what we'll do is we'll just keep coming back because I see a connection. This is all clay pipe on the outside of the house. I mean, it all looks pretty good. Doesn't look too bad. Okay, it's going to take a turn here. And this is where it exits the house. Right there you can see some roots coming in. So we definitely want to recommend a clean out over here as well. It then comes underneath the house to a cast iron pipe, which looks like it's in pretty decent condition looking at the inside of the pipe. Very minimal amount of rust buildup and it looks pretty good. So coming up the roof vent over here, we're on top of the roof. I'm going to pause the recording again. Okay, so we highly recommend you have your general inspector check the plumbing underneath the house. We're going to recommend another clean out be installed here on the building where the pipe exits the house. It appears to be exiting in 2 places. Also, never flush tampons, baby wipes, paper towels, things like that.